Today I got my hands on Upgraded Courtney Mono Top Human Hair Topper by UniWigs. The Upgraded Courtney has a 7 on 8 inch base with a fully hand-tied 2 on 3.5 inch mono top in the center. Each hair in the mono section is hand knotted to look like it's growing straight from your scalp. This mono area is now significantly larger than in the original Courtney and lets you change the parting freely. The rest of the base is closed wefted and it comes with 4 clips for secure attachment. Now let me show you how to wear this topper. First, part your hair to match the parting of the topper. Then open the 2 front clips. Align the hair parting on the topper with your hair parting. Then scoop the hair and close the clip. Scoop on the other side, close the rest of the clips on the back. In order to blend your own bio hair, I like to use this small round brush. And of course, don't forget to brush the topper to mix it with your hair. Now let me give you a round. Now let me show you the hair partition on this topper up close. This topper looks absolutely stunning. It comes in a gorgeous color called 660R Cali Blonde. It's a blend of light and medium blonde with soft brown lowlights for a sun-kissed look. The color is so multi-dimensional. Slightly darker roots are making it look even more natural. The hair on this topper feels super silky, soft, healthy, and really pleasant to touch. By the way, on the UniWigs site, you can choose between Burmese and Chinese human hair. This one is Burmese. It looks sleek right out of the box, gets wavy after washing, and it blends beautifully with my fine hair texture. What I like about this topper, you can easily tuck the hair behind your ears, which means that this topper have medium density, closer to a natural density, and it doesn't look wiggy or too much volume. You know, sometimes it can be just not comfortable and also unnatural. The fact that the topper is made of 100% human hair means that you can style it with heat, you can wash it. This topper can be easily put in an updo or a ponytail. Upgrade Courtney is a great choice for people suffering from progressive and advanced stages of hair loss, or simply someone who wants to have bigger cap for more comfort and more coverage. This way you will be comfortable wearing a topper every day. Another cool thing about Courtney Upgrade Topper from UniWigs that it comes with pre-cutted face framing layers. Face framing layers are starting at 7 inches long. That means that you can start wearing it out of the box. By the way, the topper I'm wearing right now, I am wearing out of the box. I didn't do anything to it yet. This is exactly how it came. Another great thing about UniWigs toppers, that usually the length of the topper is at least 1 inch longer than declared. For example, this is 18-inch long topper, but I measured it from the top of my head till the end, and it's almost 20-inch, which is a great bonus. So you do need a little bit of your bio hair in the front to be able to mix it with the topper's hair, because it doesn't have lace front. If you don't, I would recommend you to consider a topper with a lace front, for example, Featherlight or Breeze. If you would like to add bangs to your topper, you can simply request this service on UniWigs site. You can choose between blonde or curtain bangs. Just make sure to add it when you're ordering the topper. Thanks for watching. Bye!